Friends Be Coding, episode 2. So, in Python. So first of all, so here we are. Start at the hello page. You still know how to do this when you load up your thing. Oh, yeah, whoopsie. So, spread that didn't happen. So once you're at this page, you're gonna hit open a project. You're gonna hit these, yeah. So then, so I'll hide my other ones. I want personal ones. I just don't like to cover my personal ones, you know what I mean? It's private and stuff, so I'm just covering that right here, that's why. But anyway, now, tutorial. Once you log in, I'm going to go into the project, then you're at plain text, and you're going to search Python. And then boom, we're back. Oh yeah, I'm gonna left this fine because that's what it's gonna say once you do this. So print that. So before what's happening, yeah, I didn't really explain this that much. It was basically just coding, and yeah, you know it is. Okay, then so I love Game the Game vids. I love Game the Game vids and him. I love all his vids about him. All his vids are great. Although his can be Android. But I love Game the Game videos. Ooh. Okay. Okay, so then after that, I'll print what you just saw right here. If you want, you can just rewind and see what it would say. But so this is basically telling computer, print. Oh, he wants me to say all this. In the next line I would function. Scan it. Oh, I see. He wants me to print this. And him. Oh, I see. He wants me to print this, and so on. So that's what it means. Just wanted to recap. And yeah, so yeah. By the way, so yeah, that's what we did in the last episode. If you don't want to, link in the description and maybe in the comments for all the videos that we've posted, which is one. But yeah. So, part 2 of the video. Now we're going to do a different command. So, sorry, I'm still thinking. So, we're going to do variables now. Variables. Whatever it's called. Okay, then. So, variables. So, a variable, cut. So, now. So now, probably what's happening here. I'm gonna explain this. So this is like a short word for. I'm sorry. I don't know this. Okay. This short word. This short for saying give me the Gavin. So what you're gonna do right here is G with J, G W J. So D W J would mean give me the Gavin. So this basically is like cuts down the data into this. Probably makes sense, but basically telling the computer, oh, he wants to be short in the word give Gavin for GWG. So yeah, that's what it kind of means. So we're gonna explain more of this in the future, but for now it just means like, oh. So it basically stores this data, give the Gavin, in a little short word, GWJ. I always call it GWJ. So now, if we go back to print function, snap, I snap my fingers, but yeah. Okay, so we're back. So print. Oh, you're probably like, what's happening here? So as you can see right here, this is a variable, by the way. So G with GWJ. I know if I'm explaining this really badly, it's literally how Python works. See, it's really complicated and stuff. But anyway, so I'm not sure. And then so GWJ equals name Gavin. that means give me the Gavin, basically. So by doing GWG means give me the Gavin, basically, in coding language. So now you're gonna do plus, which adds on to the sentence. Then you're gonna do this again, whatever it's called, and then you're gonna do the rest of the sentence. So now if we would say this, it's gonna go give me the Gavin, because it shows you J is meaning give me the Gavin. So give me the Gavin, basically remember this give me the Gavin, it's just check up here when I scroll up in the future. Okay. But anyway, so GWJ, whenever I say GWJ, I just mean GWJ. Anyway, GWJ plus, which means also this add-on, is cool. So then you would add on to that. You would say, make sure to do a space after when you do like the variable, whatever it's called. So after you do the variable. Okay. So after you do the variable, which is basically just meaning the Gavin right here, then you have to remember to do the plus and the space, and there's space after you do the whatever it's called. Good. So or also just print out the Gavin one big word is cool. So then you have to do a space so it doesn't combine is and the Gavin together. So yeah, that's what it is. Yeah. So that's the variable, and we're gonna try this one. So we're back, and look why this isn't working right here. It should be like this should be all green, but I don't know why. See, and then so end you Gavin. Oh. Then so end the Gavin was just short for this. So notice I had the two pluses here because I had two lines, two little parts. Yeah, you kind of get so end plus the Gavin plus is nice and funny. So end the Gavin and the Gavin is nice and funny. So yeah, that's what it means. And yeah. So that's it for the episode of coding Python. So stay safe and bye.